Hello, hi everyone. Today we will do this question in which we have to give the IUPAC name of this compound. So before naming IUPAC nomenclature of any organic compound, we should take into consideration the following points. What is the format of naming the IUPAC nomenclature? Let's see. First we write the prefix, then we write the word root, then we write the primary suffix, and then we write the secondary suffix. Okay, so in this format, prefix plus word root plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. Prefix denote the substituent. Word root represent the number of carbon atoms in the parent chain. Number of carbon atoms in the parent chain. Primary suffix denotes saturation or unsaturation in a compound. Saturation means if the compound contains all single bond, it is a saturated compound. If it will contain double bond or triple bond, then it is an unsaturated compound. Double bond or triple bond. In saturated compound, all single bonds will be there. Carbon-carbon single bonds. In secondary suffix, it will represent the main functional group. Main functional group. Now, how to name the organic compound? We need to remember the two important rules. First, we need to identify the longest chain. Okay, first we need to identify the longest chain in the organic compound. Then we need to see that we are giving lowest number to the functional groups as well as the substituents. So these two things we need to keep in mind. So let's see in this following structure the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here we are getting only 6 carbon chain. But if we number from this side, it will be 5, 6 and 7. So numbering from this side, we are getting longest chain. So correct, this is the correct numbering pattern. Correct numbering pattern. Longest chain. This numbering is incorrect. If you are following this pathway, then this numbering is incorrect numbering. Okay, because it is not giving us the longest chain. Then we will identify the functional groups in the compound. Here we are seeing at second carbon we are having ketonic functional group, and here 6 carbon atom we are having one functional group. So here we are having 2 functional groups ketonic at 2 position and at 6 position. Then at the 4th position we are having a acetyl group, CH3 C double bond O. This is a substituent in the organic compound, and we are having ketonic group as the functional group in the carbon 2 at carbon 2 and at carbon 6 position. So first we need to write the prefix, which is the substituent. So 4 acetyl. Then we'll write the word root, which is heptane. Heptane A and B have written because it is a primary suffix, saturation or unsaturation. So everywhere there is single bonds, we write heptane. Then 2, 6 dione. Because there are 2 ketonic groups, so 2 functional groups, it is a secondary suffix. So this is the correct IUPAC nomenclature of this organic compound. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.